Your website doesn't need a rebrand. It needs 5 strategic changes, and one of them might take you 10 minutes. I remember sitting at my desk thinking, maybe I just need to start my entire website over. New logo, new fonts, new everything, because everything just felt tired. But here's what I realized. It wasn't broken, it was just outdated in small, fixable ways. And once we made a few strategic updates, conversions went up, the site felt current, and we didn't have to burn it all to the ground. So if your website feels stale, but you're not ready for a full brand, this video is for you. Let's start with some quick wins, the changes that will instantly modernize your site. First, update your photography. Nothing dates a website faster than old photos. Even if your brand is solid, blurry headshots from 2019 scream, I haven't touched this site in years. Start with your homepage hero image. Use fresh brand photos or elevated stock. Keep the lighting consistent. This alone can make your site feel brand new. Second, fix your homepage hero section. Your hero section decides whether somebody clicks away or scrolls. So ask yourself, is the headline clear? Does it say what you actually do? Is the call to action specific? Instead of welcome to my website, try something like strategic website design for wedding photographers ready to raise their rates. That builds trust. Third, simplify your navigation. If you have more than 7 or so menu items, we need to talk. Too many choices creates friction, so keep it simple. Home, about, individual services pages, a blog, and a contact page. Move everything else, those extra pages, to the footer. And rename any vague pages. So not services, but website design or wedding photography. Clarity is going to help people and Google understand you. Fourth, upgrade your calls to action. So learn more is not doing a whole lot for you. Tell people what actually happens next. Instead of contact us, try book your free consultation. Clarity is going to increase your conversions. Fifth, check the mobile. Yes, right now. Pull up your site on your phone and scroll through every single page. Are buttons tiny? Are they impossible to click? Is text cut off? Are images stacked awkwardly? Most of your clients are probably browsing while waiting in line or sitting scrolling on the couch, so make it effortless. Now, let's talk about the bigger changes, the ones that take a little more time that actually increase conversions. This is where we start to get into things like adding dedicated services pages. So if you've added services over the years but kept everything crammed onto one page, you're hiding opportunities. Each service should clearly show who it's for, what's included, the outcome, and the next steps. More clarity is going to mean better conversions. Then go ahead and rewrite your about page. Your about page is not your resume. It's a page where you can build trust. Does your bio still say, I'm so excited to start this journey, but you've been in business for 6 years? Update it. Share where you are now, what you believe, and why you care. People book people. Then refresh your fonts. Trends shift, and that heavy font script from 2018 might be aging your brand a bit. You don't need to change everything, just modernize. So swap overly decorative scripts for a refined serif. Choose a clean, modern body copy font. Small typography updates can add a lot of high-end look and feel instantaneously. And I'll include a link to a free guide down below I put together that rounds up a few of my favorite Google ones. And finally, reorganize your structure. Websites get cluttered over time. Take a blank sheet of paper and map it out. Homepage, services, individual services pages, contact, create a logical flow. Every page should move someone closer to booking. So, how do you know if you should refresh or start over? You can refresh if you're on a modern platform like Showit, your brand hasn't dramatically changed, and the structure is mostly solid. You might need a new site if your site is hard to edit, mobile is completely broken, or you've made a major pivot. And even then, you don't necessarily need custom. A template can give you a better structure, modern design, and a faster timeline with your same brand. So here's what I want you to hear. An outdated website does not mean you failed. It means that you've grown, and growth requires updating. You don't need to burn it down, you just need to refine. If you're ready to refresh without starting over, check out the templates that we have linked below and the add-on pages. And tell me in the comments, what's the first thing that you're going to be updating this week?